Hey guys, it's Melody Lane here, and I'm so excited to show you this next digital mystery box. Not only do you get these two amazing fonts, and they are amazing. Just wait a second. You also get 7 other image sets. Let's start with this. This one is Pumpkin Spice. I really like this font because it looks like you're really drawing it with like a marker. Like it really looks real. And then I like the Varsity Jacket because they all are capitals, but when I put this first V in capital and this J in capital, they're different. So you have a choice. You can make them all with the darker in the center or all this way, and nobody would know if you did capital or small letters. Let me show you about this Pumpkin Spice. I was typing this out. I did Pumpkin Spice first, and then I was typing out Varsity. So let me type out Varsity, just like I did before, but that's the wrong font. Let's choose, we got to go to the Pumpkin Spice. So I'm just going to go to Pump. We got Pumpkin Spice. Now look at that. Look what happened. Did you see that? Let's do it again. I'm so excited about this. Here, let's scoot it over. Oh, it won't let me scoot it over. When you click on it, that Y goes back to normal. Let's do it again. Did you guys see that? Like, I know we have been complaining for so long that we have to put the letters. Now, are you guys looking down here, the bottom of your screen in the left? Look how far away the Y is. That's how it normally is. What we have to do is ungroup that, and we have to scoot the Y over and attach it. But this does it automatically for us. Look, when I click off of it, it puts it right under there. Normally, this would be way over there. So I just wanted to show you that I'm so excited for that. Now I'm going to show you the rest of the image sets just to let you know these will be in access within 60 to 90 days. So if you have Cricut access and you want to wait, I was told 60 to 90 days, then you'll have them included in access. But if you want them now, you will have to purchase the mystery box, and it is a $144.91 value you're getting for only $29.99. I suggest you get it now. Okay, let's go to the next image set. We're going to quit this one because I have it all set here. These are multi-layer mandalas. They're so pretty. Look at that snake. If you like snakes, let's just bring a few of these in. They're just so pretty. You cannot look at these or design with these unless you purchase this image set or this actual mystery box. But for $29.99, you get all 7 of them and those 2 fonts. And you get them forever. Let's insert these. So once you purchase a digital mystery box, all those images are yours forever, even if you never have access. I have really slow internet here at this hotel. Okay, so look at all these layers. I'm going to just scoot these down a little bit. Make that smaller. So I'm going to ungroup to show you how these are. You can cut them out of paper and just layer them. They're so much fun. So you'll just have these and you just layer them. You can put foam tape to give them more dimension and glue them together. And we're going to ungroup this one. Now, if you decide you don't want to cut all the layers, you don't have to. Whoops. You could take that one out. Could do that one. You can change the colors of them. You could just do that if you want. Or you could just do these and not do the bottom one. And they're not all even, so we can go ahead and align center. That is really pretty. Almost looks like a snowflake. You could put some back to back and make an ornament for Christmas. Okay, now let's look at the cross. That is a beautiful cross. Of course, you can make it any color you want. Let's ungroup. And again, you don't have to use everyone. Or if you just want to use this one, you can just use the top one. You can cut it out of iron-on or vinyl and use it for whatever you like to use it. Oh, that's pretty too. You could just do these two. You could just do any one of any of these layers. You could keep it just like this without those other layers. These would be so pretty cut in vinyl and put it on a shadow box or something. So pretty. That's just pretty by itself. So that is multi-layer mandalas. And let's get to the next one. Okay, this is Sarah Hurley. She is a new designer in Design Space. We're getting 3 of her image sets. This is science class. This is periodic tables. These would be great for any teacher or anybody who loves science. You could cut these out of vinyl and put them on your wall. You can put them on a bulletin board, poster board. You can make flashcards. So you get all of the periodic table. And let's see what else. Sarah Hurley, autumn and fall. These are amazing. I love this. My favorite color is October. Fall is proof that that change is beautiful. I love this one. Fall in love. Sweater weather. Oh, and I really like this one. That would be so pretty. Even just put on a wall or in a frame, or you could even put it on a t-shirt or sweatshirt. Pumpkin spice and all things nice. Leaves are falling, autumn calling. I like that. That's beautiful. I love that font. Pumpkin spice everything. So these are fun. Okay, now what else do we get? Back to school. So the rest of these are for school. There's 51 images. Class of 2019. But they give you numbers to change the number to anything you like. I love my students. These are great for teachers or to make gifts for teachers. I teach awesome kids. That would be great for a gift for a teacher. Preschool just got a lot cuter. That's cute. Best student ever. My students are the coolest. I paused my game to be here. That would be cute for a first day of school. My students are the reason. That's nice. I like the crayons too. Best teacher ever. Awesome. Ready to rock kindergarten. You could make so many different things with this one. Let's see what's next. J. Goody designs Happy Days. So J. Goody does a lot of writing in her images. So all of these little strokes here are writing. So it writes on top of it, but now you could do foil on top of it with the new foil transfer system. So these are just fun little images. You can make them any color you like. These would be great for planners, I think, or schedules or chore charts. Okay, let's see. This one is a J. Goody design also called School Days. She's got a new little owl we've never seen. This would be cool on a t-shirt. These are great back to school images. Get 36 of those images. Next. J. Goody designs school notes. And there's 26 of these. These would be great for a planner or chore chart, or just to keep a planner for the kids to know when their homework is due and all of that. These are really cool. And it would be really cool to put these in with the foil. All right, you guys, that is the Cricut Digital Mystery Box in September. And there is a link in the description below to purchase this. The digital mystery boxes usually only last for 2 weeks, so they will not sell out. But after 2 weeks, they will not be available again until they are in Design Space in 60 to 90 days. And a deal like this is unbelievable with all of these images. The fonts, I love those fonts. And so it's a $144 value for only $29. My code does not work on digital images, so the code will not work, but it's a great deal for you, and I will see you guys later. We're going to be driving home from Las Vegas today. So leave me a comment below if you purchased it, what you like about it, or what you don't like about it. If you don't want it, I understand, but I love the mandalas and the fonts and the fall and some of the others. Some of these are for the back to school, probably won't work for me because I don't have small children, but I could still use some of these. Like lunch. I do lunch. I have a today. I like to win and have a fun day and a day off. I don't get that very often. And the arrows. These arrows would be great. They don't have to be used for school items. I really love these arrows. Now I just want to cut some. All right, guys, I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.